In front of me is REALME P3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher next to Clipboard at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you can copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and tap on pin icon. To unpin it, do exactly the same. To get rid of it though, hold it again and this time tap on delete. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!